Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name's Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be checking out this, oh gosh, it's really heavy, 4-inch memory gel topper for a bed. They come in all different sizes. For example, if you want one for a queen, a king, a full, whatever. I got this particular one for our guest bedroom, which is a full. So first and foremost comes with the mattress topper user guide. All right, so one, it says, remove the wrap topper out of the box and place it on your bed, and then start the whole process. I kind of want to open it here just for funsies. This thing is really, really heavy. Let me show you what it looks like, all nice and rolled up. Oh. Okay, so here is the topper. We are going to cut it open. There are 2-inch, 3-inch, or 4-inch. I got the 4-inch topper. So there's the different sizes you can get as well. So let's unravel this. This is where it gets interesting. I'm assuming that this is going to like puff up and become like a really huge, like, you know, because it's vacuum sealed right now. I'm gonna go do it on the bed. Oh wow, it's a lot bigger than I thought it would be. So, as we're going along, you can hear it decompressing. And you can see there's an external layer that you can unzip and basically wash. So on the other side there, you can attach it to the bed with this elastic band. And there's elastic bands on each side. The pattern is also quite interesting. You can see, you know, over here. All right, let's go ahead and zip and see what's on the inside. All right, so that is basically what it looks like. Honestly, I thought it would be softer than it actually is. There's even a layer of protectant on the inside. So there's like this layer, then another layer, and then the actual foam layer. And it's like blue on the inside with some holes for breathing. All right, so you can already see that it is way thicker than it was before. So I prejudged it, saying it wasn't soft. Now that it's kind of had time to air out a little bit, it's way softer and way thicker than it already was. If you can see right there, it almost looks like a little mattress. And it actually takes, the box says 48 to 72 hours to fully air out and to fully become the maximum bounciness. So, but I mean, look at that. Super, super soft, super, super comfy. There you have the mattress topper. So to purchase the mattress topper, go ahead and check out the link below. And if you like product reviews and unboxings and unopenings, go ahead and make sure to subscribe because I do a lot of those. That's basically my whole channel. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.